In this video, I'm going to show you how to get cash back on Cash App while using your Cash App card. So Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. It has a cash balance at the top, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, paychecks. You can file your taxes. There's a card where you can spend your cash balance, and you can do peer-to-peer payments. So pretty much anything a banking or investing app can do, Cash App can do as well. Now, in order to get cash back, you're gonna need the Cash App card, which allows you to spend your cash balance here at the top of the screen. So to do this, you can come to the card screen. If you don't have a card yet, you'll have to go through and design a card, and they'll ship you a physical card in the mail. So once you get your card, you'll be ready to go. And this is a physical card, so you can swipe it or tap it at a business, or you can put the numbers in online and buy stuff online. So in order to get cash back, what you need to do is use the offers here in the middle of the screen. So you can tap explore offers, and this will act just like cash back or instant savings. It just doesn't take the money out of your cash balance. It applies an instant discount. So in order to do this, like I said, go to explore offers, find the offer that you want. There's actually some really good offers in here. Lyft, if you use that a lot. eBay, 4% off. That's kind of a crazy one. If you buy like a high-end item on eBay, you can get 4% off. That's pretty big actually. Taco Bell, Discord, Starbucks, 5% off each order. Chipotle, 5% off each order. And there's tons here. You know, the list just goes on. And they're always updating these and adding in new discounts or offers as well. And you can search at the top. I'm going to find Starbucks again. We'll tap on this Starbucks one, and you can tap add offer. So this is every time you go to Starbucks, this offer will be applied. You can see that it's selected there in the middle of the screen. Now, whenever I use my Cash App card, it will instantly give me 5% off or 5% cash back. And that just stays here in my Cash App balance on the app. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.